The Solana Agent Studio represents the next evolution of Web3 interaction, turning on-chain complexity into simple conversational automation. By combining Forgex's MCP infrastructure with a visual no-code builder, users can design Solana-native agents that act, learn, and adapt over time. Whether it's automating DeFi strategies, managing NFT communities, or monitoring DAO governance, the studio makes advanced blockchain workflows accessible to everyone. It lays the foundation for a future where every user can build their own AI-powered Solana agent. No code, no friction, just intelligence on-chain. This is the final video submission by ForgeX. Initially, you land on the main page, where you can log in using any Solana wallet. Here I'm using Phantom. After logging in, you're redirected to the Workflows page, where you can create your own workflow. Let's name this one Price Alert System. The nodes I'll be using are on Schedule, which lets you schedule when your workflow runs, Pyth Price Feed to fetch price data, If-Else Condition to set a price threshold, Save to Memory to store responses, and Send Telegram Message to deliver alerts. This is the configuration we'll follow. Once the nodes are added, I'll connect them to define the workflow's flow. Next, I'll open each node using the Node Inspector. For the On-Schedule node, I'll set it to run every hour. In the Pyth Price Feed node, I'll set the symbol to USD. In the If-Else node, I'll configure the left operand as price and set the threshold to 200. The Memory node will store workflow responses by default. For the Telegram Message node, you can generate a bot token using BotFather on Telegram and paste it here. Once everything's configured, you can save the workflow easily. After saving, you'll be redirected back to the Workflows page where all your workflows are listed. You can also chat with your agent directly from the website. For example, I can ask the agent what my threshold is, or what the current SOL price is, and whether it's above the set threshold. The agent responds instantly with the current price and your defined limit. This type of workflow helps users set automated price alerts for SOL. Once deployed, the workflow sends Telegram messages at scheduled intervals, perfect for tracking price trends or receiving regular updates. In addition to running from within the workflow, you can also schedule executions separately. Here you can set a custom time or choose from preset intervals to control exactly when the workflow runs. You can deploy your workflows to Telegram with just one click by adding your bot token, the same one used earlier. Once deployed, you can open Telegram, start chatting with your bot, and see it respond according to the configuration and memory set in the studio. You'll also find clearly organized sections for better navigation. In the Schedules section, you can view and delete any active schedules. In Deployments, you can see all your deployed bots. For example, the 2 I've already deployed earlier. There's also a Marketplace section designed for beginners. If you're new to ForgeX Studio, you can simply choose a pre-made template, load it onto the canvas with one click, fill in your details, and save it as a new workflow. You can also import or export workflows in JSON format for local use. Finally, what we've shown here is just one example of the tools integrated into the ForgeX Studio platform. The next section highlights the full set of integrations inside the ForgeX MCP, including advanced modules that make the system more powerful and extensible.